Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we've made another milestone. We've passed 750 views, 3/4 of the way to 1,000, and things just kind of get moving a lot faster. So I kind of looked at it, and I haven't really looked at it this way, but just thought I'd share. You guys are always so supportive and so interested in these type things. So let's make sure. All right, so 750. The first 250 took 22 months. Then the next 250 took 6 months. The most recent 250 took 4 months. So you graph that out. I should have the next 250 in 2.5, 3 months, and that would be 1,000. And things just start happening a lot faster. So I just want to take a second to tell you guys thank you. I have been getting some wonderfully supportive comments, some super awesome questions. The next several videos are just questions that are going to be filling in gaps. I thought I've gotten every little thing that I could think of, and going back through notes when I was learning, these questions are phenomenal. So thank you. I know I only have 750, but I feel like I have some of the best audience out there. So also I want to show you this as well. I guess I lost track of this number, but also here recently we've been hitting 8 subscribers a day. Have never had that metric passed. Just passed 300,000, excuse me, 103,000 watch minutes, 53,000 views. I am just absolutely blown away. Here, what was this? Several days ago, had the most watch time in a day, 11 hours. Was not sure when I would ever hit that, if I would. I'd gotten up to 8 maybe, had a 9-day, but had never had an 11-hour day. So I just want to tell you guys thank you and share these with you. You guys always like these graphs, and I find myself looking at them. And also the last video, excuse me, several videos ago, video for absolute beginners, because I'm very excited of what's going to happen here in October, because October is a month during the year where it's fall, people are getting started in school, and I always have an increase. I never really noticed an increase in August, but this past August it has shot up. So just a shout out to you new subscribers, and some of those of you who've been around a long time, for just the unbelievable support. I just can't tell you thank you enough, and we've met another milestone just because of you guys. You guys keep me motivated. You guys keep me moving. Like I said, I have almost a week's worth of video ideas or videos coming because of your questions and comments and things that you need answered, which are phenomenal, that I didn't think about or I didn't struggle with. And that's what this channel is supposed to be. It is a one-stop resource for anyone who wants to learn Python. I struggled going here and there and piecing all this together. I want you to have one resource where you can come and find anything you want to. So, thank you. So, all right. Any comments, questions, please drop them below. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. If this type video you like, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me. And as always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Let's hold on for the wild ride, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.